Welcome to Penns Grove, New Jersey, a community rich in history and poised for a bright future. Today we're excited to present a unique opportunity in real estate development, a versatile land offering that stands as a testament to growth and potential. Nestled along the scenic banks of the Delaware River, this former Riverwalk property spans 14 plus acres, presenting a prime location for residential, commercial, or mixed-use development. So over the decades, there's been a lot of proposals for development on this site, and this brick paver walkway that I'm walking on right now was the former Riverfront development site. I believe they were going to call it Riverwalk. This is going back probably about 3 decades, and the development never happened. The only thing that ever happened was this walkway here along the river. So this is the remnants of what possibly could have been a really nice development here, but nothing happened. So as you can see behind me here, we have a view of the Delaware River right behind me, Delaware Memorial Bridge right there, Philadelphia going upriver. So great location here, close to Wilmington, Delaware, close to Philadelphia. Lots of potential. It's a 14 plus acre site. You see the mostly cleared site behind me. Some of the buildings along Main Street are included as well. Lots of potential here for this development project. Penns Grove's roots trace back to the early 17th century, initially inhabited by the Lenape Native Americans before European settlers arrived. By the 19th century, it had blossomed into a bustling port town, taking advantage of its prime location along the Delaware River. During World War I and II, Penns Grove played a crucial role as an industrial hub, with factories contributing significantly to the war efforts, shaping its character as a resilient and hard-working community. Over the decades, Penns Grove has been a home to notable figures who have left indelible marks, not just locally but nationally. One of the most famous residents was Bruce Willis, the celebrated actor who grew up here before rising to stardom in Hollywood. His journey from Penns Grove to the big screen is a testament to the dreams and possibilities that begin in this small but spirited town. Another distinguished individual from Penns Grove, John Forsythe, an actor known for his roles in television series like Dynasty. His career, spanning several decades, reflects the town's tradition of producing individuals of remarkable talent and charisma. All right, so now in Penns Grove, heading back from the site. How many abandoned buildings we have? Already about 3 or 4 that we already passed by. You can see all the abandoned buildings along here right on Main Street. Some of these buildings are included as part of this development project. So see all the abandoned properties. This property here, this is the property that belonged to Bruce Willis and his family. I don't know if they still own the property or not, as we're heading down Main Street here. And you know, this redevelopment project hopefully will bring some life and some growth to this Main Street area as well here in Penns Grove. Lots of potential here. There's a lot of warehouses going up in this area as well. Actually, I believe about 5 brand new huge warehouses going up. So there will be some jobs and some opportunities here with the job market here based on these new warehouses going up in the area also. Now we're coming up to the corner here, and you'll see a couple of these buildings also are abandoned and ready for redevelopment. Potential growth of buildings on the left, all boarded up. Building on the right here, boarded up as well. Coming soon, the Garden Cafe at Penns Grove. I don't think it's coming anytime soon, but beautiful architecture here in the town. You can see there's just a lot of potential for some revitalization here. Penns Grove's story begins in the early 17th century, growing from a humble agricultural community to a vibrant industrial town by the 20th century. Today it stands as a diverse community of over 4,600 residents, characterized by its rich cultural fabric, strategic location just a stone's throw from major cities like Philadelphia and Wilmington. With a demographic profile that underscores diversity and resilience, Penns Grove is more than just a place, it's a crossroad of past and future. The economic landscape here is ready for revitalization, with ample support from local government aimed at fostering sustainable development. This land, once envisioned as part of a Riverwalk project, carries with it a legacy of community dreams and aspirations. Its potential uses are as varied as the history of the town itself, from a peaceful residential neighborhood through thriving commercial complexes to dynamic mixed-use spaces that can cater to shops, offices, and homes alike. Now we're getting into that area. I said there's a ton of warehouses along this area. We're only about a couple of miles from the site where we just left. And all along this area, new warehouses coming up here. A lot of brand new warehouses. Now we're also real close to major highway routes right here. This is 295. You have interchange 295 north and south. Right here, just a few miles from the site. So great for transportation if you are going to use that for warehousing, or just for transportation if you're commuting, you want to get into Philadelphia, you wanted to get into Delaware very easily right from the site. So definitely lots of potential with the location. Imagine a development tailored to enhance the quality of life for residents and visitors, aligning seamlessly with the town's growth initiatives. Whether it's trendy apartments, bustling retail spaces, or innovative offices, the possibilities here are as expansive as the views across the river. In Penns Grove, the foundation is set for something great, where history meets possibility. Join us in shaping the future right here on this remarkable piece of land. Your vision, our expertise, together creating spaces where people and businesses thrive. Watch this video next to learn about the $2.7 billion Bader Field development proposal in Atlantic City.